In 2017, I moved to the beach. And then I found myself commuting back and forth to Riverside, 62 miles each way. So every morning I would leave my house, and I live nearby right across the street. So I would drive in front of the outlets here. And as I was getting ready on my 62-mile journey, I would look at the outlets and go, man, if I could just have an office there, that would be great. So I did that for a lot of years. And then 3 years ago, one day I just said, I'm gonna do it.
His idea was really to create an elevated patient experience while also including a stellar practice lifestyle for his whole team. From the moment you walk in the door, you feel it's different than any other dental office you've ever been into. And as you take a tour around, you just have a feeling of almost comfort and ease, where that any patient that has anxiety walking in the dental office kind of all goes away.
In the end, it's not for me, it's for patient care, because that's what matters, right? Patient can come in, have the most comfortable chairs, have the best tools used on them, have the best environment for them, have the best end result for them. I'm just one of gazillion dentists. I'm no better than most, right? But if you got the right equipment, if you have the right support, they make you look better. And patients appreciate that, because in the end, they're the winners, right?
One thing that I look at is this particular doctor's journey with us. And, we have a long-term relationship that spans over a decade with him and Jimmy. And it started in another practice in another city. And the two of them helped really, elevate that business through their partnership, through the implementation of technology, and all the success in that practice basically set the stage and created the opportunity for him to be able to expand and do an amazing project here.
So now that I have opened this new location, it was Jimmy who helped me do everything here. He helped me buy my new Prime Scan, my new Prime Mill, my new Prime Print, and he basically gave me the connections.
It's all about efficiency and patient experience, and CAD/CAM does it better than any other technologies. When you are able to treat your patients in-house, when you are able to bring your overhead down, patients walks out with their final restoration, whether it's implant, veneers, crowns, or inlay onlays, in a single appointment. That's a huge plus for a patient. That's a huge practice builder, in my opinion. Also, it brings some sort of an energy, new energy to the practice.
CAD/CAM is amazing, mainly because and this is well documented, a human eye cannot see what the machines can see. The scanners, the marginal fit, you can close your eyes and you don't even feel a margin. Man, we're doing all on X technology now. The fact that you don't have to put up with inaccuracies with the impression, the stone model. You don't have to put up with third-party vendors like the labs telling you to retake an impression, or they don't have something in your office in time, or it didn't fit right and now you got to send it back, and it's the second or third appointment just to put the patient's crown in her mouth, which, by the way, is what they pay for, right? They're paying for the final product.
There's a lot of different business models out there, I'd say. And Patterson is a full service dental dealer. And there's power in every single team member that comes with the Patterson relationship. Yes, it's the territory rep coming in every 2 to 3 weeks and visiting the client, but behind that is a whole huge foundation and support that no other dealer really has.
So you have our procurement teams that are project managing all the components of this order. You have the Tech Edge team, the Tech Edge schedulers, who are coordinating the different site checks, the layout appointments, the installation appointments. They're all local, they're all under one roof, and we're all working together.
We are built, trained, and it's part of our culture to not just sell a CAD CAM, but also help practice to thrive. Everybody can sell piece of technology, but Patterson built a great foundations and culture of how to integrate it properly to the practice, to the staff member.
Happy is not even come close. Patterson, I've met so many people through Patterson. They're all experts in what they do. I feel my office is technologically at the peak of what is available out there. And this is not just for show. We use this every day. All the people that have done something in the world have taken a chance. I don't want to be that person that goes, man, I should have done that, So, what's the worst that's going to happen, right? I put a lot of money, a lot of effort, brought in all my relationships, Patterson, Jimmy, everybody, and we made a dream come true. And who knows, maybe other offices, other dentists will follow the same dream and improve themselves and improve their offices so that their patients can improve their healthcare. One day when I do retire, I go, hey man, I did that.